Hi my friends. In this video I'm showing step-by-step guide on how to create WhatsApp channel from your phone. Here you can see some of the channels that is ready created by some other users in WhatsApp. Now let me show to you how to create it. First, you have to be with the latest or updated version of WhatsApp. To do that, open Play Store or App Store on your phone. Here search WhatsApp. As you can see, for me I already have the latest version. Now let me open it. Here tap on the Updates tab. Move down on the Channels section. Tap on the plus icon. Tap to select Create Channel. After that, this will pop up saying that create channel to reach unlimited followers. Tap on Continue. Here let us start by uploading the profile picture for the channel. Let me select this logo from my gallery. Done. Now let me enter the channel name. After that, let me create the description for the channel. Done. Now let me tap on Create Channel. Okay. Now I have successfully created a channel on WhatsApp. Amazing. Even you can share channel link, or even on the status. Here is how. Just tap on Share on Status. This will take you direct. Here you can see the channel ready created. And now you can start post everything that you want on your channel so that it can be shared by your followers. So, let me hope you have understood everything. Until next time, bye.